When it comes to credentials, Standard Water is second to none. We're fully licensed, bonded, and insured. Standard Water Control Systems President is certified by the Basement Health Association as a below-grade waterproofing specialist. He's also certified by the National Environmental Health Association as a radon mitigator. Standard Water holds Minnesota Building Contractors License number BC001522. Wisconsin Dwelling Contractor Financial Responsibility Certification number 837495. Iowa Contractor Registration number C108197. And North Dakota Contractor License number 38013, Class D. Our crews are also certified lead safe. When you work with Standard Water Control, you can rest easy knowing you're working with professionals who have comprehensive training and years of experience in the field. While we can tell you about ourselves, we like to think the awards we've won tell a better story. We are the proud recipient of the Minnesota-North Dakota Better Business Bureau's 2003 Integrity Award. From 2005 to 2011, we received the Angie's List Super Service Award. In 2007, we received the U.S. Chamber of Commerce Small Business Blue Ribbon Award. From 2008 to 2010, we received the NAWSRC Star Award and the 2011 Basement Health Association Star Award. As you can see, Standard Water has been recognized for our commitment to quality products and services, and we continually strive to be the best in our industry.